Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving deep into the Urban Decay Naked2 Basics eyeshadow palette. This compact beauty features 6 velvety matte shadows in nude, taupe, and brown shades, perfect for creating everything from natural everyday looks to bold smoky eyes. With its travel-friendly size, this palette is not just about convenience. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, which aligns with the preferences of many modern makeup lovers. The Naked2 Basics palette showcases a range of hues, including Stark, a nude pink, Frisk, a warm gray, Cover, a muted red-brown, Primal, a muted brown, and Undone, a deep smoky brown. The pigmentation varies, with some shades like Cover providing great color payoff and blendability, while others like Undone may require a bit more effort to apply evenly. From my personal experience, the Naked2 Basics was incredibly easy to set up. The compact design makes it ideal for on-the-go applications, whether you're rushing out the door or preparing for a night out. I found that the shadows blended seamlessly, although I did notice some powderiness with a few shades, particularly Frisk and Undone. They performed best over a primer, enhancing longevity and color depth. I was impressed with how well the palette held up throughout the day. Most shades lasted around 8 hours without significant fading. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility of the shades allows for various looks. The blendability is commendable, and the palette's compact size is perfect for travel. However, the powdery consistency of certain shades could be a drawback, leading to some fallout during application. Also, if you're seeking dramatic pigmentation in all shades, you might find some underwhelming, especially Undone. When comparing this palette to similar items, it holds its ground, but has competitors in the market that offer similar shades at a lower price. For instance, brands like ELF and ColourPop have excellent alternatives that maintain quality, but come at a more budget-friendly price point. If you're enjoying this review, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell icon. It helps us bring you more fantastic content like this. Regarding value for money, priced around $30, it positions itself as a mid-range option. You're paying for quality ingredients and the Urban Decay brand's reputation, but it's essential to consider whether you'll use all the shades effectively. The build quality is sturdy, with a sleek design that feels high-end. The matte finish looks sophisticated, though I did wish for a few more variations in color depth. In terms of user-friendliness, the Naked2 Basics palette excels. The shadows are easy to apply, blend, and build, catering to both beginners and experienced makeup users. Customer support from Urban Decay has been generally positive, with responsive representatives available for inquiries. I tested this palette during a family gathering, and it performed beautifully, allowing me to create a range of looks quickly. However, I did encounter slight fading with the darker shades after several hours, which could be improved with a good primer. Currently, there haven't been any significant updates or formula changes reported for this palette. In summary, I recommend the Urban Decay Naked2 Basics eyeshadow palette to anyone looking for a versatile and travel-friendly option. It's particularly suited for those who love creating neutral looks, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. However, if you're budget-conscious, alternatives are available that still deliver on quality. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the product in the description box below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences with the Naked2 Basics in the comments. Happy makeup shopping!